It's time to think beyond the washcloth and elevate cleansing to a sonic level. A sleek, travel-friendly, professional quality skincare brush with 4 speeds to produce smooth, clean, and beautiful skin. 10 youthful skin boosting benefits. More effective deep cleansing and removal of impurities, can help increase collagen level in skin, softer, smoother, clearer looking skin tone, firmer, tighter, feeling skin texture, can help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, noticeable increase in blood circulation to the skin, helps reduce appearance of visible pores, helps reduce razor rash and irritation after removal, enhances absorption of other skincare products. Features. 1. PulseLift Massage Mode Stimulation for the skin for a noticeable increase in circulation, which can provide oxygenand vital metabolism and collagen synthesis. 2. Soft and gentle on delicate skin, suitable for all skin types to use twice daily. 3. All over body use, smoother, silkier legs and arms. Deep exfoliation of dry skin patches, especially after waxing or shaving. 4. For daily cleansing modes and auto timer settings. 4 mode that you can choose: sensitive, deep clean, exfoliate, body, and pulse lift. The 3-phase mode has 20 seconds zone timer and 2 minutes quick stop, and the body mode has 5 minutes auto turning off function. 5. 15,000 Pulsed Oscillations P/min naturally unclogs deep pores and exfoliates dry skin. 6. Wireless travel charger. Each charge takes 8 to 12 hours and lasts approximately 3 weeks. Package include 1x cleansing brush, 1x facial cleansing brush head, 1x body cleansing brush head, 1x silicone cleansing brush head, 1x wireless charge base, 1x charge adapter, ultrasonic vibration for multifunction. The active technology has been applied in this ultrasonic rechargeable cleansing brush. The inner circle and outer circle can be vibrated to 120 million times per second, conveying double vibration to remove your blackheads, whiteheads, and minimize your clogged pores and smooth bumpy skin. Exfoliate dead and dry flaky skin or aged corneum, fade away acne scars. Youthful and healthier skin. With your 4-mode facial and body cleansing brush, it is simple to clear away makeup, dirt, oil, and dead skin. Specifically designed to work for all skin types: normal, dry, sensitive, and oily. Also, the body brush and the body mode will give your body skin a youthful boost. It will brighten up your skin and keep you looking young and vibrant by massaging away fine lines and wrinkles. IPx7 level waterproof and 4-speed mode. Your ultrasonic rechargeable facial and body cleansing brush is 100% waterproof, which makes it the perfect shower buddy. The facial and body brush heads can be cleaned to avoid accumulation of dirt. There are 4 daily cleansing modes: sensitive, deep clean, exfoliate, body, and pulse lift, which provides you with 4 different options that you can adjust any mode so as to adapt to your skin. Wireless convenient inductive charger. The device can be charged with an inductive charging base. You just need to plug in the plug to the power outlet and put the device on the charging cradle. Then the device is. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.